Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to fix Grindr QR code not scanning. So if the Grindr QR code scanner is not working, it is likely due to camera permission or a temporary app glitch or an incorrect camera settings. So first, to fix your camera permission for Grindr, what you're gonna have to do is go to your iPhone settings and then go to your search bar, search for privacy and security. Tap on it. Now, once you tap on privacy and security, search for camera. Tap on it. Now, locate Grindr in the list and make sure that the toggle is turned on. The next what you can do is go to your settings again and then search for camera on your search bar. Tap on it. Now scroll down and make sure that the scan QR codes is always turned on. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.